I am Angela Alban and I'm going to talk about my adventure experience. I remember that when I was 14 years old, I traveled to Monterrey because it was organized from the high school where my mom worked. This happened because the students at the school were already graduating, so they took to a trip and my mom invited me. I went with my mom, teacher, a student, the family student, and other persons, and we rented a very expensive hotel to stay there only one day, but it was in very bad condition. Like some of the room, there was no air condition, the walls were badly damaged. The only good thing of the hotel was that near of the hotel were selling delicious tacos, and it was the best part. The first day we went to Bosque Mágico, and I was very excited to be able to wear some outfit. I got on many mechanical games like bumper car, zombie ride, carousel horses, and other games. We ate and then we went to sleep at the hotel. And the next day I went to Bosque Mágico and it took like 30 minutes from the hotel. And my main attention to go there was that my cousin told me about it, that it was really nice to go there. And when I went there, I felt like I was in upside down. It was a lot of fun because I looked at the zebra, giraffe, and a lot of animals, but it was so hot there and I got sunburned. That same day, we arrived home at night in a bus rented by the school. I arrived very tired, but it was a beautiful experience that I lived with teacher, student, and my mom. And I hope to go again.